Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons colours, isn't it?
Eh?
Come here again, you know, it's just too.
Yeah, yeah. Cause
Right, yeah. Yeah, it started, but it's not gonna start. No, that's not from the
that's a vintage, that man.
Yeah.
They ain't saying that. They ain't saying that blood beat that vintage. This
No.
no.
Is there any way of doing another round right
I asked
now?
him if I could fix it and run the damn thing.
And they said no. They said no. Don't touch that.
I don't even look. He's gonna give it to somebody to take it away.
Yeah.
See they don't see. See they don't see. And you, yeah, and you see them bastard. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Like you see.
Fucking like 10 years old. What was the speed of it? I say, what's Yeah.
You know.
You know how.
I like them both, to be honest.
This one here we actually used to run. Yeah, good part of it. I'm not sure if it is or not. It might have worked before. Yeah, it's a good truck.
Yeah, it looks clean as well, innit? Yeah, this one definitely look clean.
Yeah. Probably won't quite fix that one. I'm sure of it.
Vintage bus there. It's an horse carrier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Tiny, see a horse carrier there. A nice vintage one.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I wanted the police used to carry them.
That's right, that's
Horses,
right, that's right.
Football matches.
I was gonna say there's a police one. It looks like a police one as well, because the length of it.
Yeah. So they've probably got
Extra
4 or
long.
5 horses in there. Maybe.
Oh, jeez, it looks like a
Dozen horses.
Yeah.
But this is the thing, you know, they love their animals. They say, yeah, this is
Route Master.
Yeah. That's an icon. One of the original red London buses from back in the day, right? But obviously the pop's off.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's 80.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely 70.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had all sorts of models. The airport,
Yeah.
airport truck.
Yeah. We don't have any, you can't get these on the road.
Not here.